All right, so I'm going to show a spider lasso KGuard style, like backtake. I've been working with Anthony this week. So the spider lasso, we kind of enter like a KGuard position to take the back when spider lasso sweeps start to fail. So look at this, I get my spider lasso guard, I go through here, he kicks the leg back, I hook behind the knee, I try to do this, I start feeling insecure because he starts pushing on here, so I go right to the hip, I let this go, and I go to my KGuard. See now how I have this sleeve grip, right? I'm pulling his weight downward, his weight is kind of like shelved on my shin, reinforced by this foot. I'm so close to his ankle. For me to take the back, I just have to pass the this foot over to here. Seems like it's challenging to do. It's really not, because I lift them up a little bit and just take the leg over, right? And now look, grab here, here, take the back. Okay, I'm gonna do this again. A little bit complicated, but start to drill this 1,000 times, like everything else, you get it perfect. Spider lasso, go for one sweep, he kicks back. I hook, and I cut my angle, he starts to pull this away. I go KGuard, I crunch myself in, right? Now look, take this, punch it over, grab the back, take him out easily, and come here. Nice little choke there too. So that's the move. Let us know what you think. Los.